because if me and a woman, you know, should me knock her and yo, me and her they want to say welcome bring this baby. Does she deserve a push present? No.
No, you know.
She doesn't deserve a push present. No.
Yeah, cause alright, see thing here, by definition, the term push present for true that would just means they get a present just because they push. So as you can say a while ago for true, like for enough of them you can't say couple but you know you get a girl pregnant today, you and the girl left before they you know, the baby born. Who go get her a push present there? I believe you go there with her, you know. But let's say this man do there. Him not buy that. And the man will left it not buy that. You get me? I
think the push present too is just one of those things that someone decided to do, and then people like the sentiment, and now probably some girls will go, you know, in a day man ear say, oh, when we push present, da da da. It's a thing that is not necessary. It is a want, not a need, and people go just do it. Because for instance, the things the baby need, pampers, stroller, this, and it's not going to be a push present because as I say, it's for the mother. So as long as the child has everything they need, we have everything, we know a comfortable environment to raise this baby, and I'm good.
As I say a while ago, see it? You make a great point for your mother. For your mother, you know, and me and you make a baby, you know, but for your mother, you're going to say, yeah, but you push out the baby and thing, but if me I stick around, I'm actively involved in that child.
Where you're present there?
Me even ask you a present, come and say me I do what I'm supposed to do. So I not ask.
Yeah, just like how as you said, I don't want to push out the baby. And then the other thing too that we need to be careful of is men sometimes already have a hard time bonding with the child because yes, them say belly I get big and everything, but the baby I feel literally born. So most people can, you know, do the skin to skin and say, oh yeah, you're here now, it's real, it's something tangible. And hear them cry for the first time. So it kind of further opens that gap for the bonding thing between the parents if you're not careful.
So the C word again?
Commercialization.
Commercialization. So one more time.
Yeah, but
Jaii said
Say it now.
commercialization.
Commercialization. Are the children have braces? When you have braces, they're looking at.
Braces, babe.
Never that.
Would you take a popcorn ring if you have a proposal? What do you usually know?
It
I don't even have one married.
It would not be relevant in our
I was in the hair with the gel.
I want it. Why would you really want?
It is relevant in our
Why shouldn't it? Suppose me say, here, what? You know, say big man is, I love you so much. And you know I love you so much. We don't need to have no ring. I don't want that for no ring.
You know why?
Let us say this though. Let us say, what? You know, some wife, my wife, would you be my wife?
What's the sentiment, though?
It's a really different part.
That's the sentiment.
So let's just remember.
That. Yeah,
You can give me a piece of string for ask me to be your wife, but I say it's not the point. The point is, who can ever marry without ring?
So even if somebody say no ring.
Here's the thing, no, Adam, I get to. Could I ever marry without ring and not have no ring? But remember, the ring is to show someone else looking on that you're married. So when a nice proper, hold on.
Yeah.
When a nice proper girl like me and many others out there go road.
Yeah.
No ring not gonna have to ward them off for the people them when not gonna mess with a married person, no point blank say, oh, she married. Maybe not even go over this now. Everybody can come to me, I'm gonna tell everybody I'm married. Which is okay now. But then I come back home and say, you know, say John I work, come back from vacation and yeah man.
So
it's like when I try to put attitude to me. I said no man, I'm married.
So I can just use 2 words. Not interested, keep it.
No, definitely I'm just gonna have to say it more than if I had on the ring, that's all. Because I'm gonna have to say it regardless, because there are people who will approach you with a wedding ring on, people approach you with a belly.
Yeah.
You have to tell them no, but at the same time not then forward them off. So it's just up to you.
But I say, a ring have to ward them off. I have to tell people and show them how ring nice enough.
Well, it's to show them you're married. Kind of go ward off somebody if they don't want to be warded off.
To show them I'm married.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Which is why I might not have it on in the house, so I may go out, I go put on me.
You hear that, people? You hear that? She not, I'm not in that house, you know.
All the time. Nah, man, in that house all the time. Me and you know, so we go married.
Yeah.
Can't say married, not married yet. We go married. Yeah.
Some man don't know, so we're married if I go out there and have money.
But them want wear something can bling bling. Remember when we were uptown, you know?
See honesty.
Two things can be true at one
time.
Man.
I don't know.
Remember when we were uptown and the man said to you, say, "Jeez, are you that?" And I was like, "Huh?"
Like
and the man point on my finger. I was like, "Oh." And then I smile and him feel nice too. So.
Big up him, man.
We're talking about people who are just meeting people. I'm talking about like proposing to somebody. There's sentiment in it. You can propose to a girl with a popcorn ring if it's probably a case where we know each other from primary school, and the first time when you did meet was when you didn't get one popcorn ring out of the vending machine. Like, I'm sentimental like that. So if you look for me when you propose to me with a popcorn ring, obviously that can't be the final stage ring.
See
but
it
you propose to me with
See
a
it there.
popcorn ring and
Can't
you
be
say
final
the first
stage
time I
ring.
met you, I don't know if you remember, but
I just don't wonder if
it was
third
because
grade
I got a
I'm
popcorn ring from a vending
But see
machine.
thing, I know I say, like a chote in what she said, but nothing like that. Because you know, if me propose to you with a popcorn ring, you know why contingent on if you accept the popcorn ring there. If you actually know say in the future, hopefully in the future, you'll get a blingers ring, you'll get a bad ring. No. If you sorry if cut you, but if you think say man now gonna win a life, you're not take the ring there. Remember the proposal of a Jaii. When party went up on him knee and the girl when they say, oh, if you get married and we have to bus.
Yeah.
You get me I say? If it was a case where Barry just on a big contract but you know start working, you know. Just a Barry on contract or something. Or in just left school. Same you use the same you then just left school. And Barry, she knows that by this time next year Barry I make millions. Or I make, you know, $500,000 a month easily.
Should I say yes? I make it feel like it's a struggle story, and with him when he was down and now we're up, and him go thinks that she's deserving because of that.
I mean, alright, you think that if me, I was struggling artist where you think that never go bus, can propose to you, you laugh. But if you know say yo, me just get a feature for a popcorn album and one sign in the road the corner and thing, you take your ring. You see me I say, you take your ring, no pun intended for the popcorn ring, but you take your ring.
The other thing you actually never get to point out is you get engaged with popcorn ring. But you still have to say the friend, you know. Certain people you send them certain things, you think you'll say, this is my diamond, where they? Oh, I can't see because it's so small.
That's what I say, there's something here.
So you have to know what you are about and not to nobody not change your mind for the person you ride with and they there with or whatever they give you sincerely appreciate it, show that appreciation. And when your friend them come with certain things, not afraid to blame them. I have been friends with people I have to blame about different things and we're no longer friends because what is important to me is what you're gonna keep. Not the other things that when they says in your ears or them, it's just about nice.
If you're a man and you're really truly think about the sentiments, you're going to understand so the sentiments is between me and you, but then at the end of the day, I'm going to forget to my auntie and...
there it is!
Okay.
I'm like a shame for me, man. I'm like a shame for me. Take shame out of my eyes.
I mean, we can't agree with her. We can't agree with her.
Now, I get what she's saying. No, I get what she's saying, you know. But for instance, if someone is proposing to you, you know, or you should know, or in pockets there, and whatever, what the priority is. If I know that we're trying to close a house by the end of the year, and you just want to start the engagement process and don't say, yo, you make a different type of commitment to me other than just boyfriend, girlfriend, and you give me a popcorn ring or a ring that costs 15 grand or whatever, you know, Jamaican money, of course. Me can't, they look upon that and sincerely they say, oh my god, me can't use this or me can't because we're having bigger and better things on our plate.
How you look to, you know, because they say, you know, popcorn ring are one thing, and then there's a 15 grand ring. 15 grand ring can mean 100 ring off of Amazon now. If you find the right one, you know, it can look believable enough, you know. So how you look as well too, you know. So when she said like a shame out of my eye, the part I agree with her on is, yeah, me can't bring a popcorn ring, go show me the people them.
Right.
Cool. But if my pocket can only afford 20 or 30 grand or even the same 15 and the ring look good and look suitable, then that we can afford it.
Yeah, just take your ring.
Take walk round there. Never go walk round there. So me now, right? Your nose go swell up, your ankle them go swell and everything because of this baby, right?
Yeah.
And then now, everybody have me as this, or whoever you are. I make it general, I generalize it. I've got this big gift giver. Hey, so when you use them buy some sushi? That's what you want at the time. I didn't do that with you.
You're thinking of it like that, but I'm telling you right now, if my friends are watching this, my friends, and sushi would be a sensible gift for me. Like seriously.
Yeah, but you wouldn't tell a
I
friend.
don't think it's a gift. I think it's still a gesture.
Thank you. And you wouldn't tell a friend them say you get sushi as a push present. You wouldn't tell them say yo, you know what I'm a push present as sushi.
Yeah. Or you can just say we're not doing push presents.
Yeah, so that this
That's
ingenuous.
also a
So
thing.
you would have known say John one nice gesture for give me after my just have a baby because a raw fish I'm couldn't eat while I'm pregnant, but you're not gonna say it's a push present this.
Yeah.
So that disingenuous for she says.
Let's carry the baby. You know what I say? So we got all the doctors out there too. We are save life and I save the kids them. You know where I come from? But I mean, I still don't get you saying that part. I think that part is just like.
My point is, if Jaii is going to talk about how you can drive and crash and dead, you could have chosen not to drive. You could have looked on the
This
risk.
day and age, yeah?
Yeah, man,
No, not in this day and age. That's how when Karen just come in.
Yeah man, the point
And you could have decided to take
she does
outside
attack.
carriage.
She does attack, listen now.
Awesome.
Because nobody will crash, never plan to crash. And you don't know idea when they go crash, if you go crash.
And you can't crash and do your fault.
Yeah, so that way I say that, listen, that one doesn't make sense.
And you decide not to drive. Just like how with childbirth, you can decide, I don't really feel like taking on the risk of bearing a child.
Again, that is a very nonsensical point. If half of the world population did say, Jano, you know, say, alright, I'm put it that way here. If you did bring it to children from them go to school, or when you grow up, from your, let's say, 6, 7, 8, when you can start to understand things, and you're 9, 10 now, and everybody around you, all your older cousin them, your bigger sister, people who have kids already are the gear up to have kids. I tell them, say, yo, you know, say, I can dead door from this. And that's the first thing they can say to you. Or them a picture from that side of fear there. Nobody now have a baby if you say, Jano, you know, say, I have a how much % chance for dead. You have to do it biologically. When I say half, I mean nobody have force it, but
A woman alone can.
yeah, you have to carry on human life. So you make it sound like, you know, it's a very educated decision that I can make. If I even want to put it at half, if 1/3 of our population will think like what she just said a while ago, brother, then nobody wouldn't ban. Come on, bro, that's not a good point.
When women have a child, they decide, I'm taking on the risk. Okay. And then, but then dying from abortion is like choosing, would I rather to die from childbirth or die from abortion?
So you still can
I need some stats, Papi.
Yo,
I need some
yo,
stats. If
bro,
I knew
she
this
does
was
attack,
coming,
bro.
but I can prepare some.
Bro, she does attack at this point, bro. You can die from abortion, you can die from childbirth.
You can die from water. You can die in your sleep.
Bro,
So you
bro.
can't go from the death thing, else you'll never do anything.
At this point, you just try to win a point. You know, really make sense.
I don't fuck.
Yeah, at this point, bro, I don't fuck.
That eliminates everything. Don't fuck. Don't fuck.
Or just have sex with protection.
All I'm saying is, not really a push present. The push present is the baby. Right? That's the baby. So I don't want the young girls out there now, well, start their family or have baby. I expect one more on a car. If you can do it with your queen, for sure. But this is not a thing one is supposed to expect, bro.
My point is that the push present is not the baby. You've had this baby and your partner is supposed to support you and show you love based on the fact
So the
that
baby
you
is not
had
a
this
gift?
baby. The baby is a gift to both of you. So how can you say
So why you give to a man then?
Exactly.
If a man got
Exactly.
you a gift and the baby is gift to both town, why you give
Make it
man?
make sense. A while ago, you know, she just advocate say you shouldn't even focus on the push present, because you don't need it. Now she has say, oh, the baby is a gift, you pushed it out, he could have died. So the man need for sure say, it might give you something for it.
And then
Bro,
some
pick a side,
women
brother.
get so them personality change their pregnancy and they blame it on the baby. So man already go through it with the feel 9 months, you know. From on the see the 2 line up and they stick on the start and the man go through it with it.
Yeah.
wait,
When I have the
you have the baby is a gift to both of you. The push present is not the baby. Your partner as the man who did not go through labor is supposed to
That couldn't go
support
through
you.
labor.
Couldn't go through labor,
Couldn't go
and
through
therefore, biologically, if they're gonna say that the woman is supposed to go through labor, the man is supposed to go through something equal, no? The man is supposed to support you, no? The man is supposed to give you the support, give you the whatever throughout the labor, after the labor. That's how the whole thing goes.
No, sitting here.
It's support and all of this.
Sitting here. Yeah. One man for support you and everything throughout the pregnancy, after and be there as a father. but there is no equal or fair amount, if I get what I say.
Oh, yeah.
There is no, what you would define as equal.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, you know, first of all, a female in pregnancy leave equal. You can go through your full term.
And you're good.
And you're good.
The next person sicky and can't
Vomit
manage and
every
they can't
day.
bed rest.
Nose long so, broad. Your foot them swell up. You're the pit every minute. And then you can have a 14-hour labor. Then you can have solid on your road now.
My friend have her baby in a 2-3 hour.
Just
Pick up
come out.
yourself.
You understand what I mean? Says like, there is no, and that me not like now, when females have this mentality, say, everything need to be, equal and everything what me go through, you have to go through.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. Because me not, as me
that
say,
wasn't in God's
because as me say,
design,
me not say I wouldn't get you a push present. I won't turn me as that. I would have something me just, you know, me not try to go back over everything. But if me get you a push present, me not gonna say, John also. That's what for me then.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, bro. So, me never said that unequal a while ago. Alright, where that unequal? Alright. Feel like Jay.
As a matter of fact, and you don't know nothing about woman or opinion or whatever, but my point is that
Where does
After
all go? Where does all go?
we haven't had any kids.
Okay.